I spend about 8 hours a day sitting at my desk, like everybody else. Sitting all day is unhealthy, it's disorganized, it's unproductive, and it's lazy. Supposedly Churchill worked standing up, although he was drinking while doing so. His desk was a mess, it was wartime, he smoked too many cigars. I can imagine this only led to pretty stuffy air in the office, which eventually led to the death of his plants. I'll show you a trick. They built all these functions in. And there are certain features which shouldn't be integrated. This is the AiT Smart One. Adjustable height, the perfect size, ambient LED lighting, integrated cables drawer with electronic safe lock, measures air quality controllable via a simple app, built-in wireless charger, built-in speakers, built-in air freshener, ergonomic footrests, and a built-in fitness module. It looks amazing too, so. I forgot to tell you about the Phantom One. Boss! Boss, what the? Okay, yeah, I'll take that. Sorry to interrupt. There you go. Now, if you please, if you'll just. So this is the best of the best, the Phantom One. Boss, focus, yeah? Now, back to work.
What's the difference between a feline family and a cat family? This is a cat family. A feline family has Circle Zero, a self-cleaning, odor-containing, modern-looking vessel for your cat to shit, be a feline in. Motion detectors on the front, a sealed wastebasket in the back, a precision scooper that makes 2 passes within 5 millimeters of the walls. A feline family contains its litter and odor. A feline family can use any bag or litter they want. A feline family lets Circle Zero do all the work of maintaining a litter box while making sure their feline is safe. Circle Zero won't let your feline get scooped up. The motion detectors will pause the cycle immediately and restart 7 minutes later. It will even smooth the litter back out, giving your feline a beautiful surface to be a feline in. Circle Zero works with multiple cats and has scoops for multiple types of litters. It's the sophisticated, modern-looking, zero-effort option, and a feline family knows how healthy their feline is. Circle Zero comes with the Mug-and Loo, a window into your cat's feline cycles. Pre-order Circle Zero and turn your cat family into a feline family.
Getting from here to here used to take a whole afternoon. Until now. Meet MowRo. MowRo is the world's most efficient, fully autonomous lawnmower. MowRo was designed to save you time and give you a beautifully manicured lawn all the time. Forget the old, outdated mowers. They take too long and are too much work. They're clunky and, honestly, you deserve better. Traditional mowers eat up your whole Saturday afternoon mowing. With MowRo, it's a fat 0 hours. Old mowers give off a lot of exhaust fumes and harmful greenhouse gases. MowRo uses a rechargeable 28-volt Samsung lithium battery that gives off 0 greenhouse gases. These outdated mowers are loud, basically an alarm clock for the whole neighborhood. While MowRo, being low noise, you might not even notice it diligently grooming your lawn. Spend your time enjoying your lawn, not mowing it. MowRo is equipped with a protective guard and a bump sensor. Never worry about the safety of you and your family with the safe design of MowRo. MowRo allows you to make a customizable mowing schedule that adapts to your lawn needs. Mow every 2 days. Adjust the level of cut, whatever you want. MowRo has you covered. Don't worry about the shape or size of your lawn. MowRo uses a perimeter wire that sets the boundaries for MowRo, ensuring accuracy in what gets mowed. With an auto return feature, MowRo docks when the battery is low, when it rains, and when it's done mowing, making MowRo worry-free and hassle-free. MowRo requires zero effort, zero stress, and provides the perfect lawn. Spend time on things you want to do. Never waste a Saturday again in the sweltering heat pulling a lawnmower. Let MowRo do it for you. Back our campaign today and enjoy the benefits of your hard work while not worrying about preserving it.
Dear Nature, sometimes we pledge you our support. Sometimes we share our concerns too. But then, that's all we do. But now, no more waiting. It's time to PICO. A tiny farm that fits in your palm. PICO is your self-watering, self-lit companion that takes care of plants. Yep, it actually grows plants and herbs for you. It gives your plants the power of the sun and grows along with them. It waters itself, so you don't have to. That means no more guesswork. PICO lets you be a little lazy, but a whole lot more responsible. Done, done, and done. So, the next time you want to show your support, why don't you just stick it, hang it, or place it on pretty much every surface around you. Dear Nature, welcome home.
Can I help you?
Does Frank live here?
No, I think you have the wrong house.